press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
You will need the following tools to complete the installation: bitbox, needle, thread, hooks remover, scissors, Riviera cord, screwdriver, hog rings, and plier. For the perfect fitment of seat covers, we need to take out the seats from the car, bolted directly to the channel. Pull up the rear seat gently to unplug and remove it carefully. Take out the bolts with the help of a spanner and remove the rear bag with great care. First, bend down the back of the seat and then take off the side panel adjuster carefully. Unbolt all the screws and remove it with great care. Take a screwdriver and pull out the seat adjuster cap. Then take off the screws and remove the seat adjuster. Now turn the seat cover over and inspect for underside for wire provision. Insert the Riviera cords on both edges of the cover through the loop. The wire should extend through the loop, leaving excess evenly on both sides. Take a blade and make the cuts on the seams of the seat for Riviera cord fitting. Then put the seat cover on the seat and match the front lines and the seam of the seat. Now take a plier and hog rings and staple the Riviera cords to the seat frame properly. Use only 1 or 2 staples to tack down the front. Many staples can increase the chance of wrinkles and puckers in the seat cover. Smoothen the seat cover on the cushion floor. Make sure to keep the seams aligned with the edges of the cushion. Run your hands over the seat cover and apply pressure for perfect fitting. Insert the back part of the seat cover between seat cushion and seat back. Now turn the seat and tie seat cover stripes with S-spring frames on all sides. Take a hog ring plier and pierce the hog rings on the back frame of the seat cover. Now turn the seat and make a cut around the seat adjuster framework. Place the seat adjuster at the appropriate position and tighten all the screws with the help of a screwdriver. After that, position the side panel as it should be. Make sure that the panel cover lock is mounted in an appropriate position that can provide steadiness to the panel. Align all the holes and tighten the screws with the help of a screwdriver. After that, mount the side adjuster panel and cap at its appropriate position. Now recheck all the alignments of the seat cover. Reverse the seat cover and make a cut for the wire provision. Then insert the Riviera cords in the loops. Take a needle and cord and tie the Riviera cords on the edges of the wire. Now make the cuts on the seams of the back seat for Riviera cord fitting. Then place the back cover on the seat and match the front lines and seams. Now staple the hog rings on the Riviera cords and back seat frame with the help of a plier. Insert the seat cover cords in the seats through the needle. Align the strings on the back side. Roll the cover on the back cushion. Make sure to keep the seams aligned with the edges of the cushion. Now tie all cords in the backside for stability. Insert the back part of the seat cover between seat cushion and seat back. Attach the male and female portion of the Velcro. Now take scissors and make 2 cuts on top of cover and push it around the top holes of the seat. Make sure it fits properly. Take the headrest cover and locate the holes with the headrest frame. Roll the cover on the headrest and close the zip carefully. Overturn the rear back cover and make cuts for the wire provision. Insert the Riviera cords in the loop. Take a blade and make cuts on the seam of the seat. Now align the seat cover Riviera cords with front lines of the seams and tuck hog rings on the seat cushion. Now roll over the cover on the seat precisely. After that, tie all knots behind the seat and staple the cover with hog rings. Remove the back coat of the seat. Take a spanner and take off bolts from the back side. Turn the rear back and unplug the armrest carefully. Take a blade and make cuts on all seams of the cushion. Align the notch in the back of the seat cover with the mark you made on the rear of the seat pan. And staple it with the hog rings. Roll over the cover on the back cushion. Turn the seat and staple the cover with the cushion through the plier. Take scissors and make a cut on cover for armrest fitment. Now take the armrest cover and roll it on the armrest. Attach the male and female portion of Velcro for perfect fitment of the armrest. Turn the rear back and tighten all bolts with the help of a spanner. Now install staples as you work around the seat pan, making sure that the cover is now secured to the pan. Insert the Riviera cord in the back loop and staple it through the plier. Run your hands over the seat cover and apply pressure so it fits the original equipment foam contours. At last, place the armrest and headrest to its original position. These seat covers are designed and sewn by upholstery professionals, and its perfect fitment defines the norms in feasibility and accessories.
Bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.